Alright, so Ricky Repairs back again. Today we have a 2012 Ford Fusion. Alright, so what we need to do is connect to the Bluetooth. There's a few people that do struggle with that. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and lower this. Alright, let's go ahead and select menu. Oh, and first, for most, you have to have this Zinc powered by Microsoft. I think this is a device that has a stereo for the Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and select menu. Alright, so let's go ahead and add the Bluetooth device. So this is the first time I'm doing this, adding my phone. Zinc media. Alright, let's go ahead and sync the media. Play menu, select source, media settings, system settings. Let's go ahead and select that one. Alright, Bluetooth device. Let's go to the next menus. Alright, so let's go ahead and select this one, okay. Add Bluetooth. Alright, let's go and select that. At the same time, let's go ahead and have a phone out. Turn on the Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and select add now.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
Alright, let's go and press OK. And Zinc should appear on your phone. Let's go and wait. It's right there. Let's go and select that. Alright, and that pin, go ahead and tap into your phone. Alright, just go ahead and pair it. Add contacts, no.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Zinc's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Alright, select 9 as primary. I'm gonna select no because it's not my car. Phone book, I'm gonna select no, it's not my car. Alright. Phone settings, sync services, exit phone menu. Alright, so from there I'm gonna select menu again. And then I'm gonna select the source. Select source. It's not with the USB, so I'm gonna select Bluetooth audio. Alright, so now as you can see it's connected. Let's go ahead and play some music now. There you have it. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. And I have several videos for this car. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and check them out once you get a chance. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.